Like you, of anything curious that you would like to ask them. So I suppose we can start with our friends over here. Yes, Joseph, please.
Magtanong po ng Joseph from Pinoy Friends on Lifestyle Vlog. My question is to Mr. Cookie from Sector Family. So, what are the things we can expect during the 3 days event?
For the 3 days event, thank you very much for asking that question. For the 3 days event, actually from Step Up Travels, our specialists, our team specialists will be there to assist and help in planning. So you can ask them if you are interested in going to Japan, like off-beaten destinations that are not, well, syempre pwede pa rin si Tokyo, si Osaka, si Hokkaido, all these, but other destinations, Shirikawa, and all these other places, we are on hand to be able to assist you, let you know when's the best time as a consultant. So what's the best time, what are the flights, so all of these things, and to help you create the perfect itinerary, especially tailored for you.
Alright, so definitely Step Up can craft, of course. It depends, of course, on your budget, definitely, and specifics on where do you want to go in that country. So there you go. Thank you. Now let's move on to our friends here from Malaya. Okay, yes, please.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, my questions for Sela Garden. Sir, this is your first time to join us in Expo.
Yes.
Ano yung expectation namin from the media na pwede kayong magbigay for Expo dito?
Well, actually, meron kaming nilalabas na promotion for the media that you can join. What we call it the best available rates. And even siguro, you can do barter agreement. We're open to that. Of course, malapit kami sa media. May to promote our 5 properties, no? And as you know, di ba, ang emerging market natin ngayon, iba na. Hindi na mga Chinese and Koreans o mga Indians na. And we want to be strong in the market. So, the media people, of course, our partners, our business partners here, we welcome you. And we welcome mga partner agreements nila. And of course, definitely we'll give out our static rates or best available rates to everyone who wants to join this event. No? Not just the 3 properties, but also we are promoting our resorts in Cavite and in Bustos, Bulacan. It's one-of-kind experience. It's nature, like Villa Hotel. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my second question. Sir, my questions for Valencia Restaurant, for my friend. Sir,
yes, good afternoon.
Sir, this is your first time then po, di ba, to join in Expo Travel?
Actually, yes, for the Valencia's branding, but the last time I joined also for Sir JC in other properties. No? But in Valencia's Restaurant, yeah, this is the first time. And of course, I represent also the HR Cup na kasi. So, dalawa na lang. Saan po yung tanong nyo, Miss Abby?
Sir, ang question mo lang. Pwede po. Sir, kasi syempre, bukod sa Expo Travel, no, so yung ibang visitors natin kasi pupunta rito, maghahanap ng ticketing, like sa Step Travel, mag-i-inquire sila, mag-i-inquire sa hotel. Si Valencia Restaurant and the Hotel Restaurant, ano ang expectations namin dito? Meron ba tayong something na food tasting, mga ganon, dahil syempre, di ba?
For the HR Cup, we have a lot of talented chef all over the world actually. But we will present and we will do some cooking demo during the event, this kind of event of life and travel and lifestyle. Sabi ko nga kay Sir JC, baka naman pwede Sir travel, food and lifestyle. Kasi pagkakagigit ko yan.
Next.
And of course, for the Valencia, we also we cater Spanish, authentic Spanish cuisine, but I'll present also the demo and food tasting during the event. And of course, ang tanong mo, kami mga chef, we help the tourism to promote actually the properties, the restaurants, and all aspect within the hospitality. Now, pagka sinabi kasi travel, karugtong po kasi talaga yung pagkain. Kahit saan po tayo pumunta, karugtong po na pagka-travel nyo and pag-accommodate ng mga hotel, karugtong po yung pagkain. So, that's our responsibility para sa community and the tourism sector also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ms. Abby.
Thank you so much. Now we have another question over here. Yes, Vic?
Sir, since you told us, for the IMO po, you changed the package po. Is there an increase of the price?
I think nga po, we are changing it para lang evolve sa time kasi we've been outdated na already the old packaging. So parang hindi na siya makasabay sa sa evolution. But now I think it's the high time for change. Your question to the price, wala pong change. It's the same look, same formula without changing the cost.
And secondly po, do you have any plans to get a celebrity endorser?
Yes. Actually, onwards na po, siguro announce natin yung signing ng brand ambassador. Meron na po.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you, Vic, for that very curious question. Now let's move on to another one.
Liam Sanchez from Douglas Speaker. My question is for what are the new tourist destinations that tourists can offer to travelers?
Thank you for that question, po. So for Guam, like what I've mentioned before, we are an island destination. Every year, we try to come up with new things to do in Guam. But the latest one, I think it'll come as a surprise that we have the biggest, if you're familiar with the Don Quixote brand in Japan, Guam actually just opened the biggest Don Quixote store in Asia. We call it the Donkey Village. It opened October of last year. It started as a 24-hour operation, but I think now they are open until 3 a.m. So the village of Donkey, they have also, actually during the summertime, they also offer free shuttle service from the village of Donkey going to the city. So that's the newest attraction that we have in the island. But of course, in Guam, you can do different activities like dolphin watching. We have like our fish eye museum. We have the Guam Museum. We have other beautiful places. Just to give a little bit of history as well. The history of Guam is somehow similar to the history of the Philippines because we are also dinaanan din po tayo ni Ferdinand Magellan. The place is also conquered by the Spaniards as well. So the food, like what we mentioned earlier, 27% of our population are Filipinos. So I think the food also, our Chamorro food, it's very delicious. It's very similar to the Filipino palate. So food will, like what Sir mentioned earlier, food comes together with the travel. So it goes hand in hand. And I also spoke to Muki earlier. He said that when they do the packaging of their products, food is always number one on the list aside from the price, of course. So in Guam, we also serve different varieties of food that the Filipino palate will be happy to taste as well.
Thank you. And we have another one over here.
Hi, Pleasure Hussein from Manoflight.com. First, I guess we asked from Best Magazine. Can you also show us what the magazine feature? Does it feature only travel, lifestyle, or is there something that you offer to readers?
Thank you. Good afternoon. Actually, Best Magazine is a complementary magazine. It's a lifestyle at the same time. We feature empowered people, mostly mga Filipinos here and abroad. And it's for free. And we've been doing charity works, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, at least 4 times a year because that's the mission of the magazine. Pero I'm very glad that there's a lot of sponsors and donors for giving support. And then we honor naman through awards na. I've been doing awards night for 9 years now.
And maybe you can mention now as well yung ating upcoming
We're having the 8th Empowered Men and Women Philippine Trending Brand this coming August 16 at Museum. There's a lot of celebrities from GMA and ABS. And then brands also, doctors. So I'm very, very happy celebrating my 90th year this coming August 16. Kung maluwag kayo, pwede kayo.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that question. Do you have another question to some of our guests, please?
Sure, anyone can answer. For now, what would you say would be the best time to travel, or what would you suggest where to travel during the next few months or the next few seasons?
I suppose Sir Cookie can answer that.
Thank you for asking that question. I get that question a lot. We get that a lot. Travel actually, there's no specific season for travel. Typically, Filipinos want to travel to cooler climates in general, right? So, but any time of the year, you will be able to go to a good destination. For example, ang titignan mo lang is, if it's more of when you want to travel, like yung gusto natin ng October to December, that will be, you're looking to the northern hemisphere. You're looking to the northern hemisphere because that's autumn, that's winter, depending on what you want to do. But if you are looking to travel in May, June, July, isip natin ayaw natin ng fun. Destinations such as the South, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, these are very viable destinations which have their autumns at the reverse side of the globe. So anytime, at any point in time, you are able to travel. Actually, wala nang off-season ngayon. Wala nang off-season. After the pandemic, there's no more off-season. For example, they ask me, where's in Japan, kailan ang off-season? Wala. Everything's season. You all know, you walk into Osaka, people are speaking Filipino. Ito Tagalog, di ba? You go to Guam. Well, default sa Guam, madami talagang Pinoy. So, medyo mahirap i-determine eh. But if you go there, a lot of in the outlets, in the shopping, a lot of people are traveling anywhere. I think it's because also of the price of the remote workers. So a lot of people are able to travel now. But at any given point in time, you just have to choose the destination. Depends on the weather, depends on the budget. There's a destination in the world for you. I hope I'm able to answer the question.
Thank you, Sir Cookie. Sir Cookie, please don't put down your microphone first because there's another question for you here.
Hi, sir. Hannah from Amazing Manila Journal. Sir, why is it important for families and young travelers, even the first-time explorers, to attend this upcoming travel and lifestyle expo?
So again, thank you for that question. So why is it important? You know, it's evolving now. The interest of families, of people, are becoming more into experiences. As apart from buy me a phone, buy me this toy. I think personally, our kids are doing that. For example, as when my daughter was doing attitude, it's supposed to be turning 18. So, would you like to have a good debut? She wanted to go outside of the country. Not because, of course, we are in the industry, but we see it everywhere, right? People and families are looking more into experiences. I think a lot of social media has something to do with it. Makikita nila din, I want to go there also. Ay, this new destination, uy, wala, Instagram, I want to go there also. And it creates a bond for families, to bond on experiences, to create core memories as they grow up, as opposed to just buying these things that's going to be obsolete, you know, the next year. But there is still that. But experience has been a great drive. So why is it important for them to attend this event? Because they will have the opportunity to see different locations, different venues, from Guam to the different parts of Japan, to the different offerings, and the lifestyle brands the lifestyle companies that will be there as well. So makikita nila because all of these. So actually, alright, sisingin ko na lang to we really appreciate na this is branded as a travel and lifestyle. Because it's, hindi naman travel, hotel, like, there's a lot of accompanying things about it. What you use to travel, the experience of travel, the food, definitely is number one. That's what most people remember. Galing mo sila sa magandang place, but if the food is terrible, they're gonna say it's a bad trip. They're gonna say it's a bad trip. So, these are all interconnected and complementary. So they should go. Because they learn a lot of things. If they don't purchase travel or whatever, it's at least they learn something. That's what's important.
It's the experience. There you go. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir Cookie. Now, I think we have one more question over here. Please.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Jake from Technical Georgia. My question would be for Stella Hotel. I'd like to ask, what kind of support are you extending to travel and Expo 2025? What are in store for the participants and for all the stayers?
Right. In connection with that question, we're not just opening an event. We're opening an experience. We're opening adventure and discovery. You know? If you go to Wansela Hotels and Resorts, just like I mentioned earlier, we have lots of activities here, no? And our hotels facilities are Instagrammable. As you can see, no, when you walk into the lobby, something different, no? Why Salapads? It's quite different, the logo. And if you see our Burma Bridge, the rope courses, no? the big swing, all these activities are quite different from all our hotels in Metro Manila, guys. There are plenty of rooms, available rooms right now. But experience-wise, activities-wise, it's all here in Wansela Hotel. All the activities, like we have even infinity pools, we have these swimming pools, and outdoor jacuzzi. We offer discounts, of course, for all the delegates or the participants in the lifestyle, travel and lifestyle expo. Those who will be there attending the expo, of course, we will give out our special rates for all the 5 properties, not just the hotels in Metro Manila, but also the resorts in the north and in the south. We have that. So for your families, friends, relatives who will be going or will be coming into the Philippines, visiting your relatives, no? You can try it out and check our resorts, particularly My Cabin. It's one of a kind. Resorts that has zip line, it has its own pool and jacuzzi, no, doon sa cabin nila, no? And also the ravine, the villas there are quite different also. Same way, it has its own jacuzzi and private pool. Now, for the hotels right here in the Badge or where we are now, we have 6 KTVs actually. Now you can rent for 3,900, no? That's inclusive of drinks and food na. So where can you go pa? Diba? It's all parang one-stop shop na dito sa La Paz, no? And even the location, we're about 12 minutes away from the airport. Even international and local, no? Both travelers. We're just a few minutes away from all of Asia. And of course, yung mga nagpupunta ng mga intramuros, like destinations for tourists, no? Yung Manila Cathedral, and also intramuros, of course, for those sports-minded. So yes, we'll be giving out best available rates to everyone who will attend that event. And of course, you right now who was present here, just call us, give us a call, and we'll give you definitely the best available rates that we have. Thank you.
Hi sir, good afternoon. For sa IGO Philippines, during the event, I'm Cheska Itabe of Chinese Journal and the Market Monitor. During the event, what activities you have for for that event? For the
Yeah, so for 3 days we will be having the booth there, no? So tapos meron kami mga games, interactive games, tsaka immersive, experiential games. And then at the same time, we have the doctor, merong venue magpa-check up for
Free eye check-up.
Free eye check-ups. And of course, samples. We give out samples para naman sa mga attendees na.
With the new packaging.
With the new packaging, of course.
And because speaking of the new packaging as well and the gift bag, I think everybody as well who are here.
Yes, everyone in this room will receive a gift pack from IMA.
There you go. And our model there is Richard. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, now one last round of invites from our panelists and friends. I think we still have one more question. Cesar, please, from Net95.
As ko lang po sir sa lahat po ng mga concessionaires and partners, gaano po ba kahalaga o participating in this kinds of expo nowadays? And at the same time po, yung impact din po sa community po ng tourism industry po natin. Mas mabuti po ba yung ganito para mailayo po yung kapabayan natin sa mga scammers?
So I think I'll answer it first. So I think attending events like this is very important kasi it's good thing that you've mentioned. Right now, everything is becoming digital. So you can transact, you can make payments, you can talk to people even without seeing them. Diba? It's alarming that there are a lot of scammers now, especially yung mga nagpapanggap ng mga travel agencies. They collect payments, they'll send you tickets, they'll send you itineraries that might look very legit, but ayun, unfortunately marami pa rin nabibiktima. If you attend events like this, at least you'll go meet them face to face. You'll be able to get, you have a face na kausap mo talaga, na they can give you the rates there, you can make the payments there. And it's also important na, we help each other in the industry. The travel industry is a small industry actually, and we have to help each other build relationships and also support each other. So we are very happy to participate on events like this because this not only helps us promote, for example, for me, for us, the Guam as a destination, but it also helps us connect with other people from the industry on how we can help each other, how we can support each other. So again, Jason, thank you so much for inviting us to be part of this event.
Thank you. Sir Cookie, yes, you might want to add to that.
Yes, I'm very happy again to be part of this event. In terms of, it's supported by the DOT. It's supported by the DOT. So all participants, of course.
Pati sir, one-stop shop din siya, di ba? Kung baga sa isang travel, pwede na nilang ma-cater lahat, pwede na pong makuha nila sa isang puntahan nila. Lahat ng gusto po nilang mangyari at yung mga package.
That is correct, actually. And not only pag-book nila ng tickets, ano na ibang brands doon, even like footwear.
Yes, we'll be hearing from them later on, SNSI.
Right? That they will be wearing during their travels. Ano na lahat? Thank you very much for that, sir. One-stop shop. That you will be able to see from planning your trip to actual usage of your trip to
where you're going to stay.
Where you're going to stay. So all of these things are available. And again, peace of mind. Travel is about peace of mind. You want to travel, you're not worried about
worry-free.
Saan ba ako, like for us, we want to make it such a way that we're not selling travel basically. We're selling peace of mind to our clients. Wala ka na dapat iniisip. When you go there, you want to enjoy, you want to relax. Dapat yung worst, yung pinakamahirap kong decision will be whether to swim in the pool or to swim in the beach. Right? Ganun lang. Dapat hindi yung stress ka na. Ay, pupuntahan mo.
These are transportation. Transportation, how?
Transportation, the different agencies, I'm not sure if there's a specific transport company, but all the agencies who will be participating, I'm sure will be offering.
Sir, yung, halimbawa,
yes.
airlines po, yung mga shipping, okay po yun. Yun pong pag nandun na sa isang
transfers.
Yung pag-transfer, meron din siya kayo offer na
ganun. Of course, definitely. At least for us, we offer end-to-end transportation, so go sa airport, to the hotel, to the different destinations, tickets to attractions, and all of these, even insurance and whatnot. So, yun na lang. Pang-shopping mo na lang yung hindi kasama.
Sir, last question po for the IMO. Sir, the brand is very popular and up to this time. Pati sa tingin ko kayo yung isang brand na wala pong kalaban eh. Meron po ba?
Marami. Pero Kapit's Class,
hindi po namin alam at wala ko
Kapit's Class is number one. So we almost have 80% of the market share. So, that's why. And you're wondering why IMO is participating in Travel Expos. Because we want IMO to be part of your travel essentials. Kasi meron kang mga emergencies, especially if you want to see the world clearly. No, pag nagkaroon ka ng eye problems, masisira yung travel mo. So with IMO, you rest assured, you see everything with clarity and you'll have a good experience when you travel.
Sir, yung question ko po talaga sa inyo, dahil na po kilala yung brand nyo, nai-imitate din po ba kayo? Or meron po kayong, yung meron po bang mga fake products na lumalabas po sa market? Paano po may assure nyo sa public na totoo pong IMO yung binibili po?
For the fake products, since the longest time, hindi na siya naulit, no? And hindi sa Philippines nagkaroon ng fake that's in other countries. But rest assured, with our quality assurance and our API registration, this kind of forgery cannot happen. And meron kaming
official
trademark for our packaging.
That's right, and you'll learn more about that on the launch.
Yes, and rest assured, the brands that you are using are authentic. Real IMO.
Because if ginamit niyo po yung red na IMO na packaging, definitely yung pula yung mata, mas lalo pupula. Yeah, of course. Definitely, it will get rid of the redness. So there you go. Again, at this point, we'd like to, again, hand over the microphone to our dear panelists for them to one last round of invites to everybody to come.